Howdy y'all. Gonna take a look at these Maxpedition Positive Grip zipper pulls recommended to me from a guy. Just got these in today. Gonna slap them on the Veto PAC tool bag that all my zipper pulls have started breaking off finally after about 4.5 years. So yeah, we'll put these on and see how they look. Stand by. Well, there it is. Looks pretty simple. Insert, loop, and tighten. It comes in a 6-pack. So yeah, there they are, 6 of them. And we're gonna see if we can't one-hand this and put this right through the old zipper assembly. Yeah. All right, there's one. There we go. We need a little more slack, that's all. I almost got it. You're getting in there. This is one-handed now. 2 hands, you'll be a lot easier to do. Maybe. Alright, let me put you down for a second. Okay, yeah. Once I got 2 hands on it. Nice. Feels good. Feels good in the hand. It seems to be well secured in there. We'll give it a test out and see what it'll do. See if I'm in focus there, maybe. Alright, there it is. Maxpedition zipper pulls. The Positive Grip zipper pull. Alright, thanks for watching.